How to know if Instagram account is hacked. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can figure out if your Instagram account is basically hacked, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you think that your Instagram account is hacked, there are a couple of ways you can know this. When you open the Instagram app, just check if there are any sort of activities that you have not done. Maybe you can try checking your stories if someone uploaded another sort of story, or you can just try checking your specific account here to see if they've any added another sort of post, or if they've followed people that you don't know or don't recognize. And if you also go to the DMs tab, you might be able to see if they send anonymous DMs, then that could also be another indicator. Now, in order to help solve this, we're going to change our password, turn on two-factor authentication, and log them out. So first of all, tap the profile icon, tap the three lines option, go to settings. The very first thing I want you to do is go to this security tab, tap on password option, and just change from your current password to any other password that you think is reliable for you. After that, tap the arrow icon here. Then go to login activity, and then here you will be able to see a list of devices. If you don't recognize a certain device, because of course it's going to show you the model name on which your device was logged in, your account was logged in. If you don't recognize a certain device, you can tap the three dots option, tap on the logout option to log them out of your Instagram account. And as I said, changing password is also a basic thing. Once you log the devices that you don't recognize here, you can come back, go to two-factor authentication, and make sure you enable two-factor authentication. You can turn it on using the authentication app or using WhatsApp or text messages, which in my case is already on because no one can have access to my text messages other than me. So I normally use this method, and make sure you have the access to a phone number as well. Now after that, you should be able to help solve this, and you can also remove other accounts that are logged into your account. This way you can figure out if someone else is logged in and has hacked your Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.